Ever struggled to fit all your favorite holiday outfits into one suitcase? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to pack 10 different outfits into just one bag. But there's a little secret I'm keeping till the end that made this work. Stay tuned, because what I'm about to share might change how you pack for every trip going forward. Let's jump straight into the pieces you'll need to create 10 different outfits from just one bag. With just a few key items, I'm going to show you how you can maximize your packing and still have a variety of stylish options. First up, we've got a deep burgundy dress. This dress is an absolute essential for your holiday wardrobe. It's one of those go-to items that seamlessly transitions from casual brunches to more formal dinner parties. It's easy to style and super versatile. Next, you'll want to add a cozy yet chic emerald green sweater to your collection. This piece is going to be the star of your casual looks, perfect for everything from holiday shopping to a cozy night in with friends. You'll also need a pair of tailored navy trousers. These are great because they can go from day to night, and they're comfy enough for any long holiday gathering. For a bit of elegance, don't forget to pack a cream silk blouse. This piece adds that refined touch to almost any outfit. The silk fabric drapes beautifully, making it perfect for any holiday occasion where you want to feel classy without being overly formal. Another key item is a classic black midi skirt. This is a versatile piece that's perfect for any holiday dinner or gathering, and you can mix and match it with multiple tops. For outerwear, a camel coat is essential. It's not only chic, but also incredibly warm, which is key during the colder months. The neutral tone of the coat goes with everything in this color palette, making it a great addition to any outfit. This coat will quickly become your go-to outerwear piece for the holidays. For shoes, pack a pair of black ankle boots and nude heels. These two styles will cover you for both casual outings and more formal occasions. The ankle boots are perfect for those laid-back days, while the nude heels can elevate any outfit for a holiday party or dinner. Both styles are versatile and comfortable, so you can enjoy every event without worrying about sore feet. Now, don't forget a few accessories. A statement scarf in autumnal tones will not only keep you warm, but also add a pop of color to your look. Simple jewelry, like silver or pearl accessories, will complement any outfit beautifully. These little pieces can instantly transform your look from simple to stunning. If you want to try out the products I mentioned, check out the video description below. I've linked all of the pieces so you can easily put together your own holiday wardrobe. Now that we've covered the key pieces you'll need, let's get into the 10 different looks you can create with just these items. Starting with the burgundy dress, I'm pairing it with black ankle boots and a statement scarf. This is the perfect outfit for a Thanksgiving dinner. You'll be warm, cozy, and looking stylish without feeling too dressed up. The scarf adds that touch of fall flair, and the boots keep it casual yet chic. This look works for casual gatherings, but if you need to dress it up for something like a family gathering, just swap out the boots for nude heels and add simple silver jewelry. Instantly, you've got a slightly more polished look, ready for a holiday dinner. The dress stays the same, but just changing the accessories makes a big difference. Let's switch things up with the emerald green sweater and navy trousers. This combo is ideal for a casual family holiday event, maybe decorating the tree or a day of holiday shopping. The green sweater adds that festive touch without being over the top, while the navy trousers keep things sleek but comfortable. A big shout out to Miss Jennifer Connolly for being the style inspiration for this look. For a more classic holiday feel, pair the cream blouse with the navy trousers. This outfit is perfect for work holiday events, especially when you're going straight from the office to a holiday party. The blouse brings a bit of softness, while the trousers keep it structured. To make this look even more polished, you can add simple pearl accessories and a red lip for a pop of holiday color. You're still keeping it understated, but it's festive enough for a professional holiday environment. This is one of those outfits that easily transitions from work to party without needing a full change. Layer the camel coat over this, and you've got a perfect outfit for a day out with family or friends, perhaps a holiday movie night or a visit to the Christmas tree farm. You're covered for both warmth and style in this look. Now, let's combine the cream blouse with the black midi skirt. This is a beautiful look for a holiday dinner or even a New Year's Eve gathering. The blouse adds an elegant feminine touch, while the skirt gives it that festive feel. And with the nude heels, you're ready for any fancy holiday event. This look is all about balance. You're festive without being too bold, and it works for both family and formal events. With the addition of the camel coat, this look is elevated even further, giving you a refined appearance that works for any fancy holiday gathering. This is one of those looks you'll feel comfortable and confident in all night. Now let's take that emerald sweater and pair it with the black midi skirt. This is a great option for a festive holiday party, whether it's with friends or for a work event. The mix of textures makes this outfit interesting, and it's a nice balance of casual and dressy. You can keep the black ankle boots, or if you want to make it a little more formal, swap the boots for nude heels. Either way, this look says holiday without being too obvious about it. Plus, you'll stay comfortable all night long. Okay, I want to pause here and ask you, do you usually struggle to pack light for your holiday trips? Or do you feel like you always bring way too much? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you manage packing for holidays. Now back to the burgundy dress. This time, layer the camel coat over it and pair it with the black ankle boots. This is perfect for an outdoor holiday market or a winter walk after a big family dinner. The camel coat adds that layer of warmth while the boots keep it practical. To dress this look up a bit, you can switch the boots for nude heels, especially if you're transitioning from day to night. With the coat over the dress, this look is versatile and keeps you prepared for all types of holiday plans. Now, I promised you a little secret, didn't I? The real trick to pulling all of this off lies in sticking to a cohesive color palette. By choosing pieces in complementary shades like burgundy, emerald, navy, and cream, you create a versatile base that allows for endless mixing and matching. This approach means you don't have to worry about anything clashing, making outfit selection a breeze. When you have a strategic color scheme, you can pack less and achieve more, ensuring you're stylish for every occasion, from Thanksgiving dinners to holiday parties. Trust me, this simple trick will change how you pack for every trip moving forward. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love this next one where I discuss the 10 items you should never wear to the airport if you want to look classy. You definitely won't want to make these mistakes, so make sure you check it out right after this.